Do you ever feel like learning takes forever? What if you could train your brain to absorb information faster and retain it longer? Here are 3 powerful techniques to help you learn anything in half the time. Hack number 1, the dopamine trick. Your brain learns faster when it enjoys the process. Turn studying into a game by setting small challenges, rewarding yourself, and making it engaging. The more fun it feels, the better your brain retains information. Hack number 2, the 3-layer memory method. Instead of just reading once, reinforce what you learn using 3 steps. 1, skim the material to get an overview. Summarize the key points in your own words. Teach it to someone else or explain it out loud. This strengthens your memory connections. Hack number 3, the 25-to-5 rule. Study intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your brain fresh, prevents burnout, and improves focus. For an extra boost, use your break to stretch or walk around, as movement enhances cognitive function. Try these techniques and see how much faster you can learn. Let me know which one worked best for you in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more brain-boosting strategies.